Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 25 of Loving My Minis in February. I am so excited to wrap up February. We are saving what we saved finished three yesterday. I think we're on track to, oh my gosh, my money's not here. Womp womp. That must be what this pile of ones is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. Okay, here's my money. We will get that into our bank. And I'm bringing $8 every day, except for Valentine's Day. I did bring 10. And I'm going to try to see if I can bring 10 on the last day, on the 28th. So we have our bank here. We have our prop coins. These adorable prop coins and dashboards come from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. They are so cute. And they don't have to be just used in February. They're just cute and pink. So I'm going to mix up these a little bit, see if they need it, just in case. All right, so we have that. We've got our die. We're starting at 7. I think we're good. One more for luck. All right, let's get started. Number 3 so 7 gets 3. 8 gets 3. All right. What does 1 get? 2. All right. 1 for 2. 3 for 3. That always makes me so happy. 4 is getting 2. 5 is getting 3. So tonight I'm going to go through 6 is getting 2. I'm going to go through my minis stash and start pulling out any of the ones that might be like green or St. Patrick's related and put those out. So that's 8. So we'll go back to 1 and get those ready for March. I'm excited to keep this going. And I'm using the money at the end of the month to go into like my shark binder. So 3 is going to 2, and then I have 1 left, so that will go into 3. So we will start on number 4 tomorrow. So I'm excited. The money that I save here, I get to put into like personal spending money or my shark binder or my bee binder. So good stuff, good savings, and a fun way to do it and use up my minis and all that. So let's make some room. Get a little cup out. We've got some pens to the side. All right, so let's see what number 1 got. 25, 25, 25, 25. So $1.50 going into number 1. And that is $1.50. $1.50. Oh, finished one. I will color all of this in because I like coloring in the hearts. I will be right back. Yay! All right, so we finished this one from Bonnie over at Bonfire Budgets. It saved us $3. We got to use everything perfectly. So let's get a new challenge from our queue. And I have some more to the side. So we have this one from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. It's formerly Printable by Woods. So we have no money, so I can put my pen down. And I will put that into number 1, and we are off to number 2. So we have 50, 25. Wow. All right, we have $1.50 in number 2 as well. Holy cow. Okay, this one is from Sweet Indulgence Budgets. Yes, I will be your Valentine. Okay, so we have $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. This one will save us $4. Put that back in here. I like when we finish one on the first one because then it takes the pressure off the rest of them. All right, so we have 25, 25, 25, and 25. So we have $1 in number 3, and we only needed 75 cents. Yay, we finished this big one from Becca Budget 777. Perfect. Oops, that does not go in there. So $6 over there, and we still have 25 cents. Let's go to our queue. Oh, let's see. Another one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. This one's $5. We can do one circle. He's eating an apple. How cute is that? All right, so that one will go in here. All right, so we have 50 cents going into number 4. This is one we started yesterday from Saving with Sam, so we can do 2 more circles. Oculus Reparo. I love Harry Potter. Okay, and then number 5 is getting 75 cents. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. I tell you, most of my minis are hers, so it's okay. Between her and Becca, I can probably do all of my minis in this book. So 25, 50, and 75. This one will save us $3. All right, number 6. Number 6 got 50 cents. And that's what we needed from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So that one was $5. Love it. So we need a new one. Let's see, that's 1, 2, that's another big $5 one. All right, so let's do this one for $5. Has nothing going into it, but this is another one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, and it's Coke Zero. Love it. All right, so number 7. Number 7 has $1. So let's see what this one is. This one is from Our Beautiful Budgets. So we can mark off 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one will save us $6. Love it. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you're having a good week. So we have 125 going into number 8. I don't know if I was social in the beginning. Oh, we only needed 75 cents. So I'm going to take away the 50 and the 25. And this one is from Greta at Agape Book Club. So 25, 50, and 75. We have 50 cents that can go into a new one. Just peeking. They're all Lindsay's except for one. What do I have over here? This is Budgeting with Kim. Let's do this one. All books for Valentine's. So we can do 2 hearts. So 1, you can't really see that. I tried to make it better. I don't think I succeeded. This cute one is from Budgeting with Kim. All books for Valentine's. That one will go into number 8. We finished 3. Did we finish 4? I think we finished 4. All right, let's put our prop coins back. And then let's see what we got. All right, so we have 3. Okay, let's start over. 6 and 4 is 10, and 5 is 15, and 3 is 18. Holy cow, $18 today. So I'm gonna have, that's a lot of money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow, that wiped out most of my bank. But we did start a bunch of new ones. Okay, so we have 18 ones going back here into our completed envelope. And I will use this at the end of the month to do a little left, right, center for some fun things. And then we have 4 we get to try to shove in here. Oh, day 25 was good. Oh, it's getting harder. Still can do it. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.